Removing a payment method from Telegram is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your payment information is successfully deleted. Step 1. Open Telegram app. Launch the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Access settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the menu. From there, select Settings to enter your account settings. Step 3. Go to Privacy and Security. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Privacy and Security. This section contains various options related to your account's privacy and payment settings. Step 4. Manage payment methods. Look for the Payment section within Privacy and Security. Here, you will find options related to your payment methods. Tap on it to view your current payment methods. Step 5. Remove payment methods. Select the payment method you wish to remove. There should be an option to delete or remove it. Confirm your choice to successfully delete the payment method from your account. By following these steps, you can easily remove any payment methods linked to your Telegram account. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult the Telegram support resources.